Thanks very much to whomever asked this question. This is a really common question that I receive by my prospective clients during our initial consultations, which, mind you, are free for all you Queenslanders out there. It's the case that whenever parties go through a period of separation and they experience a divorce, it's the case that there is a limitation period that does exist. You must make your court application if you cannot resolve your disputes amicably within 1 year of that divorce being made effective. Many times I see married parties who do divorce and they are contemplating whether or not to merely wait out that limitation period to see if their former partner files, or to pursue the process of going through a property settlement and obtaining financial consent orders. It's the case that although that limitation period, it does exist, and mind you, it does exist as well for de facto couples. Look at another video of ours for the limitation period in de facto matters. However, it is not an absolute bar, an absolute protection to your future financial interests. So please consider the benefit of working through with the help of a family lawyer and obtaining that absolute protection in the form of consent orders, financial orders made by consent or through a court order, the court being the Federal Circuit and Family Court of Australia, so that when you purchase property in the future, you know you're purchasing it with your funds and not joint funds. It is a calculated risk that some parties make, and if you do not proceed down that pathway, I really do encourage you to obtain the advice of a family lawyer in that regard. But otherwise, please consider the benefit of going through, whether you obtain assistance through a family lawyer or do so on your own, going through the consent orders process that exists for all parties who are married and do separate. It will grant you that peace of mind that you're looking for, so that not just you, but also your former partner can purchase property perhaps on your own or with your subsequent partner without fear or concern that either of you may be making a purchase with partly another person's assets.